Hey guys, welcome back to another Paul Murphy Minecraft video. Today, I am doing a fidget spinner review. Yes, a fidget spinner review. I am doing a review on just the standard fidget spinner. I got this for $12.99 at the mall where I live, and it was a really good deal. It's super smooth, has a pretty good spin time, but anyways, it's $12.99 and let's get into the review. Okay, first thing I'm going to be testing is smoothness. Okay, so I'm going to give it a good spin. Right now, I can't feel any shakiness whatsoever. Sideways, balancing on the thumb, feels pretty good. All's looking pretty good with this. Okay, next thing I'm going to be testing is I'm going to be doing the spin time. Okay, so I'm going to give it a good spin on the table, and then I am going to start the timer. Ready, set. Okay, the timer is going. Okay, we are at 49 seconds. Here we go. Keep on going, keep on going. 1 minute. We are at 1 minute, 1.5 minutes. Fidget spinner is still spinning. Slowing down. We're getting there. Still going, getting ready to stop it. Two minutes. Wow, this is still going. Oh, it's slowing down a lot. When is it gonna stop? Just a little bit longer. So we're at 2.5 minutes. It's about to stop. It's so close. And it is done. Okay, the total time of 2 minutes and 40 seconds spin time. Wow, that is impressive. As you saw, we hit a really good spin time there. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. And that's just for this hard plastic kind of cheapo fidget spinner. I mean, that's good. This is really durable. We got a 2 minute and 40 second spin time. That's pretty good for just this plain old cheapo hard plastic fidget spinner. Another reason I really like this is because of the color. You can get many different colors. I got a camouflage one. It just appealed to me. But when you're getting one of these, make sure you test a bunch of them out before you choose it, because some of them can be not as good or shaky. Another thing about this that I really like is I like that it has a really nice weight to it. I don't know, it's just more satisfying than most fidget spinners, if you know what you mean. And it can fit in your pocket really well. The center has a pretty good spin. Yep, and I highly recommend getting this one. You can order it on Amazon or get it at a local store like the mall or a toy store. Thanks for watching my fidget spinner video. Like, subscribe. Paul Murphy, signing out.